What if I told you that the iPhone SE4 could be the groundbreaking device Apple fans have been eagerly anticipating? The current iPhone SE, now in its third generation, has astonishingly clocked 1,000 days since its initial release, setting the stage for its much-awaited successor. This successor is rumored to make a spectacular entrance in March 2025. Apple appears poised to revolutionize the concept of a budget-friendly iPhone by fusing affordability with some of its most coveted premium features. However, keep in mind that Apple's definition of budget tends to differ from conventional standards. Since its debut in 2016, the iPhone S series has carved out a niche by offering flagship-level performance at a price point that's relatively accessible. Every generation has consistently embodied this philosophy, combining cutting-edge hardware with the nostalgic designs of former flagship models. However, the upcoming iPhone SE4 is rumored to break this mold entirely, shedding its predecessor's vintage look for a sleek and contemporary design inspired by the iPhone 14. This evolution could mark a monumental shift for the SE lineup. Leaks suggest the SE4 will boast a 6.1-inch OLED display, a game-changer for the series, delivering vivid colors, richer contrast, and deep blacks that are typically reserved for Apple's high-end devices. In addition to this upgrade, the new model is expected to embrace an all-screen design, doing away with the traditional Touch ID and physical home button. Instead, Face ID will take center stage, enabling a seamless, bezel-free design that radiates modernity. If these rumors hold true, the iPhone SE4 will deliver not just a performance boost but also a visual overhaul that aligns it with Apple's flagship aesthetic. But that's not all if you're curious about the full specifications and features. Stay tuned. This device could redefine what we expect from an entry-level iPhone, making it one of the most exciting releases in Apple's recent history. Keep watching for a comprehensive breakdown of all the details. Now, what if there's a way to get incredible value for your money without stepping into Apple's ecosystem? Sure, the iPhone SE4 is generating buzz with its rumored features, but there are other impressive contenders in the market you should consider. Take, for example, the recently launched iQOO 13 and Realme GT7 Pro, which bring cutting-edge hardware, innovative software, and even advanced AI functionalities to the table. While they might not fully replicate the seamless integration of Apple's ecosystem, they shine in their own right. The iQOO 13, for instance, is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset alongside a Q2 supercomputing chip. It also debuts the world's first Q10 2K 144Hz Ultra Eye-Care display, a groundbreaking innovation in display technology. With a competitive expected price of $550, it's a strong challenger in the same price segment as the upcoming iPhone SE4. Meanwhile, the Realme T7 Pro isn't staying in the shadows. It takes pride in being the first smartphone equipped with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, complemented by the robust Adreno 830 GPU. Adding to its appeal, the device boasts IP68 and IP69 ratings for water and dust resistance, making it more durable for real-world use. Like the iQOO 13, it is expected to be priced competitively, offering premium features without stretching your budget. For those searching for a high-end device with top-tier specifications, these Android powerhouses could easily compete with the iPhone SE4 and potentially offer better value. What's your opinion? Could the iQOO 13 and Realme GT7 Pro outshine the upcoming iPhone SE4 when it comes to bang for your buck? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Now let's dive deeper into the rumored specifications of the highly anticipated 4th generation iPhone SE. At its core, the iPhone SE4 is expected to feature Apple's powerful A8 Bionic chip, the same advanced processor powering the iPhone 16 series. This cutting-edge chipset, combined with a robust 8 GB of RAM, promises lightning-fast performance, superior multitasking capabilities, and future-ready efficiency, ensuring the device remains relevant for years to come. Another exciting update is the adoption of a USB-C port, aligning the SE4 with Apple's flagship devices. This shift not only enhances versatility and compatibility with modern accessories, but also reinforces Apple's commitment to creating future-proof devices. For photography enthusiasts, the iPhone SE4 could represent a game-changing upgrade. It is rumored to sport a 48-megapixel rear camera, a significant leap from the 12-megapixel sensor found in its predecessor. This impressive enhancement is expected to deliver sharper, more detailed photos, improved performance in low-light conditions, and a much better overall photography experience. These advancements bring the SE series closer to flagship-level photography capabilities, making it a standout choice for users passionate about capturing high-quality images. Despite these flagship-level features, Apple is rumored to price the iPhone SE4 at $500. While this pricing strategy positions the device as an entry point into the Apple ecosystem, it still represents a significant investment for many potential buyers. A $500 price tag might seem budget-friendly compared to other Apple devices, but for a large segment of users, it remains a premium expense. Nevertheless, the blend of powerful features and competitive pricing could make the iPhone SE4 an appealing option for those looking for high-quality performance without stepping into flagship territory. As the calendar edges closer to March 2025, anticipation is reaching new heights for what promises to be the most groundbreaking iPhone SE model to date. Apple enthusiasts and newcomers alike are buzzing with excitement as this device could strike the perfect balance between high-end features and an attractive price point. It's a smartphone that might redefine what affordable premium truly means. What do you think about the much-anticipated iPhone SE 4? Are you someone deeply invested in the Apple ecosystem, or are you considering leaping with this device? We'd love to hear your opinions, so be sure to share your thoughts in the comments below. And with that, it's time to wrap things up. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, we'll catch you all in the next video.